सो हेलो व्यूवर्स, हाउस ऑफ अभिनंदन लेकर आया है आपके लिए मुंबई में 1 and 2 BHK के अपार्टमेंट्स। फर्स्ट टाइम मुंबई में आपके लिए एफोर्डेबल हाउसिंग अभिनंदन लोधा लेकर आए हैं। स्टार्टिंग रेंज ऑफ 1 BHK का आपको मिलता है बिलो 50 lakhs, 2 BHK का रेंज है बिलो 60 lakhs। सो टोटल लैंड पार्सल इस प्रॉपर्टी का है 12.25 एकर्स के आसपास और टोटल फ्लोर्स इस टावर्स के हैं 35 और 80 प्लस से भी ज्यादा एमिनिटीज आपको इस प्रॉपर्टी में मिल जाती है। सो हेलो गाइस, हमारे साथ में है द हाउस ऑफ अभिनंदन लोधा से सीनियर टीम लीडर। तो फॉर मोर डिटेल्स आपको मुंबई में घर क्यों लेना है, किस लिए लेना है, क्या उसके बेनिफिट्स रहेंगे, ही विल एक्सप्लेन। ओवर टू यू सर।
Yes, hi, my name is Nitya and I am part of the leadership team of the House of Abhinandan Lodha. I think सिंपल पहले मैं कॉन्सेप्ट थोड़ा समझाना चाहता हूँ। ग्रोथ हाउसिंग कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है? ग्रोथ हाउसिंग कॉन्सेप्ट आई थिंक it's a very innovative concept which this country has been lacking as well, where we feel that there is a certain category of people who have their aspirations and dreams as well, and how the House of Abhinandan Lodha can make those aspirations real and make their dream come true. And I think to kickstart that journey, the first association has been the project which we have pre-launched in Naigaon sometime back. There I think we got a overwhelming response when we just launched it in Mumbai with almost 8,800 registration plus, and we sold almost 1,500 apartments. But I think now comes the big one, where we are getting into other cities as well, and we are getting into a global launch as well across cities like Pune, Bangalore, Singapore, GCC countries, and Delhi as well, where we feel that the need of this category and a need of an investment opportunity in a city like Mumbai is never heard of. So why I think this category has been always looked upon in terms of with a specific lens, but we feel that what product offering, how the product has been packaged and what the offering is something which will be the game changer for the industry as well. So we feel when you look at in terms of the videos, I would love you to go through the product video, the connectivity video and the amenities video. Almost 80 plus amenities in a development like this, never heard of. And where exactly? Naigaon. Naigaon comes where? Naigaon is just the 4th station from Borivali. Borivali is where? Borivali is one of the main hotspots in Western Mumbai, where from Borivali it is just the 4th station after Daisar, Mira Road, Bhayandar, Naigaon comes. And I think it's a distance of almost 20 minutes, which is there is a distance. And why it becomes an investment opportunity? For simple reasons. A 1 BHK ranging in Borivali is in the range of 75 to 1 crore. When you move 20 minutes away, you get into a gated development, you get into a development which is almost 80 plus amenities at this price point, which has never been heard of. The offering is 1 BHK and 2 BHK with multiple configurations, and we would love your participation in terms of in this project also. And please go through the portal as well in terms of the growth housing, where you will understand more in detail and connect with your relationship manager or our dedicated growth partners for more details, and then they will guide you in terms of to how you can participate and own your dream house in this opportunity. Thank you.
सो गाइज, बहुत ही ज्यादा लिमिटेड इन्वेंट्रीज बची हुई हैं। फॉर मोर डिटेल्स अगर आप इस प्रॉपर्टी में इंटरेस्टेड हैं एंड फॉर कोई भी अगर आपकी क्वेरीज है तो आप डेफिनेटली सी बात है हमें दिए गए नंबर पे कांटेक्ट करिए, और ऐसे ही बेस्ट डील्स के लिए आप चैनल को फॉलो एंड लाइक भी जरूर करिएगा। थैंक यू।